Today's quick video is my subscriber showcase. I'm very excited to present work created by my subscribers and submitted to me. I'm honored and so proud of the work that they've done. My name's Carolyn Dunn and I'm a dot mandala artist, and I'd love to welcome you to my channel. And these are some of the tutorials they were inspired by. This is Lori B's version of Purple Rain. What a beautiful job she did. When I first saw the picture, I thought it was mine. This is Pat's beautiful version of Emerald Jewel. I absolutely love it, right down to every little detail. Now Janice S. is a rock star. She has sent me 8 pieces of work that she has created using my tutorials as inspiration. I absolutely love it. I'm honored and I'm grateful to all of my subscribers. Look at Janice's work. Absolutely beautiful. Thank you all for your support. It means so much to me, and to see your work just is so touching. Makes it all worthwhile. If you have work that you've created using my tutorials for inspiration, I would absolutely love it if you would send me pics and allow me to upload them during some of my videos. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, keep on dotting. Bye bye for now. I'll see you on the next video.